Hey gang, Puppy here. Guess what? Yeah, it's actually happening.
And I remind everybody out there that I'm not professional at this, so he may end up bald.
It wouldn't be the first time I Heisenberged. Oh, in this case, it'd probably be Silverstein. You know, where the sidewalk ends. He wrote a lot of poetry and humor, and he was published in Playboy a lot. Yeah, and don't forget to put the souvenirs down in the. Yeah. That's right. I'm going to try and sell this hair.
Trust me, nobody buys. Well, wait, I almost found your ear under all this hair.
Well, as long as you didn't find the blood in the ear.
It's coming along.
Yes. I was tempted to play some cowsills. You know, copyright infringement and all that. You can probably guess which song.
What would that have been like?
Then maybe we'd segue to a little bit of George. Because I, like George, have been aware that some of you despaired at my hair. Oh, that close.
You might not.
Thank you, George.
Don't move.
Is that why the barbers are always slapping my head?
If you would like to be bald, keep moving. Because I won't be able to even it out if you keep doing this.
Remember that time 10 years ago I went to Billy D's for my haircut?
Yeah.
And she said, "Oh, that's beautiful. I'm going to get $300 for that." I said, "Really?" She said, "Yeah." "How long did it take you to grow it?" She says. I said, "Oh, about a year." "Should I come back next year and sell you more?" She said, "Okay." A year later, she's not there.
Shaver back right there to even it.
Well, we do have the clippers.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's a clipper back here. Well, you got shorter hair. Now, if we could just get this side to be the same length.
English actor. Oh, Sean Connery. I feel like Sean Connery from a movie from the 90s. I feel like Sean Connery from a movie from the 90s. You can guess which one, and you guessed which one. I know. If you can guess which Sean Connery movie, put a comment on the end of this video and send a self-addressed stamped envelope. I'll send you some hair. Now I have to save some. Because one person out there. With my luck, it won't be Nicole, so I won't be able to shine on. I'll have to actually produce the bloody hair.
Then I need to.
I know! Anne Bancroft.
Going to need to.
Oh, come on. You, if you're my age, I'm 63 by the way. If you're my age, you know which Anne Bancroft movie a short haircut brings up in mind.
How short do you want it, Wayne?
How short is it? It feels pretty short.
Well,
I mean, I see 85% of it there.
I need your clipper. 'Cause it's your
A
neck.
little bit.
You want it shorter around?
Well, that's a little bit longer than the rest. Well, comb it all. Get a look around all the way and make sure. Maybe you got a mirror I could look in?
Maybe you could keep your head from moving?
Maybe.
There we go.
Maybe, well, if you could let me look in the mirror, I can
I'll go find a mirror.
scream. And there's one hanging on the knob in the cabinet in our bathroom.
I'm not done yet.
No.
I gotta go get a mirror and a clipper. Mom, got a mirror?
Those of you out there, do not call 911 when I scream and have a apoplectic fit, and stroke out. Don't call 911. It's too late. A little bit long here. Red Skelton. Gertrude and Heathcliff. Okay, where's the comb?
Here. I'm not done. I gotta even out your neck.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Now they have to brittle cream it for a while.
I don't know if I got that.
Not bad.
Oh.
Don't cut off that second head growing out the back.
Oh, shut up.
Ah.
Sorry, it doesn't like to come off. But what's the point of this? How come when they do it in a barbershop it looks so easy?
They've got those WHAL clippers. There's an electric motor spinning here with an eccentric. That's why it's so fat and round. And why he's got like 5 or 6 of them, because they get hot. And you remember him taking off, the part that holds the moving blade, taking the moving blade to the stone, going back, shot of oil, and you're getting free pomade. Any of you who like my free association sit-down comedy here, you should watch my long machining videos. Because when I'm out there in the shop and I got props to play with, oh, the gears up here get grinding and the sparks flying. And the smoke signals are really interesting. It's my best material. Wow.
Even that out. There we go. Look, Wayne, you have a neck.
Yeah.
How bad is that?
Hey, I can finally get to this thing. Okay, let me clip it.
See, he won't let me touch his beard. I don't know, something about me and a razor close to his face. What are you doing? Shaving your face, please?
No, I'm just getting the top of those sideburns where they're not going to be irritating me no more. There you go. Well, there you go, gang. Pretty, aren't I? I'll wrap up the souvenirs for my faithful fans here.
Yeah, right.
Hey, I said it. I have to hold on to some of this for at least a week.
You get anybody to buy that, and I'll do the villa on your show.
Good.
Oh, you'll have to get a whole new sit. We'll buy a coconut.
You heard that, people out there? If he gets anybody to buy him his hair, I'll do the hula in my hula outfit right there on his show.
Oh, someone please buy what? A little bit of hair.
You look good, husband. That's an improvement.
Cost of a self-addressed stamped envelope and
Need to trim the beard now.
25 cents.
You'll shed hair from there too. Honey, the dip's been made.
Yeah, I am not all right.
It looks good.
Well, I used to like to cut. I used to cut my doll's hair and all that.
He still looks like he's from the era of God, though.
Well, I gotta say, it wasn't too hard to cut Wayne's hair because he
Okay,
does
where
have.
did I put my...
It wasn't too hard.
Over
Gee,
here.
Mom, look at all the hair on that floor you just swept today.
Well, sweep it up.
Yeah. That's why I kept that...
Get the dustpan. Sweep it up for me, please. And
Hand me the mouse, please. Someone hand me the mouse. I'm tired of getting up and down and
Where
up.
is it?
Over there
You
by
know,
the
Wayne,
record
cutting your
unit.
hair wasn't that hard.
Want me to
'cause-
put these back in your drawer
You
or
know,
wherever
Wayne-
she got them? And
Oh, I didn't.
One moment while I strangle Java. No! There.
You know, Wayne, it wasn't too
would
hard
you
to
like
cut
me to
your
put these
hair.
back, dear?
Please, dear.
You look handsome, dear.
It wasn't too hard to cut Wayne's hair. It has the same texture as Wicked's hair that I used to cut.
Well, Emma,
That's insulting.
you got your wish. Now maybe you can shame Max and a couple other guys. Don't forget, comment at the end of the video,
See if Nicole notices.
and I will sell you a little bit of my hair.
Yeah, because now he's desperate to.
Drawer.
Good night. It was in the bathroom drawer.